Goodbye, Julia. I should have to redo her whole avatar. Good job, Julia. Yes. Is he gonna cheat on her boyfriend for a helicopter? What are you doing? Stop caring about your kid and come in my helicopter. It's literally on the balcony. This girl apparently does not care. Right, guys. If a helicopter lands on your balcony, just ignore it and let it be. Julia's coming back. Julia, get on! Yes, get on. Oh, she wants to get back on. Ready for round two? No, I tried. Try this again. Let's land here. Hey, get out. You have arrived. Yeah, and bye. Bye-bye, Julia. I just left her there. So sad right now. Stop! Stop! She's just gonna sit there? Like, this helicopter's OP, but why is she just sitting there? You know there's a freaking... There's a teleport button right here. No, wait, that's more magic. I'm gonna be a terrifying turkey. God. What if I saw this kid pick you up? I'd be terrified and wait for this kid. Get in. Free ride to Disney World. I just crushed her. Everybody aboard. Juanita. We have this one. Alright. Everybody over two. Let's go over here and give you a friend. Yeah, nice shot. Oh, now it's before it takes you. Julia, you're next. Julia, get down there. Julia? Ah, Buzz. Time to go. Time to shine, Buster. Right, Buster. Gobble, gobble, gobble. I'm not looking for trollers. I love you. God, she's bullied. She's bullied. Oh yeah, you want parkour? Huh? Yeah, no parkour for you. Touch my blades. Touch my sweet blades. Yes. I'm gonna crush you. Bring you to heck. Go back. Hey, that can't save you. That will never save you. There we go. sorry.